This is what the average adult sees after the age of 60, and this is what they could be seen without the glasses. Big difference, right? You probably think that it's impossible to repair your eyesight after the age of 50, but science says the opposite. I know that might sound unbelievable, but I'm going to share some techniques that have helped countless older adults sharpen their vision naturally. And the very last tip I'll share is so simple, yet so overlooked, it can make your eyes feel 10 years younger almost overnight. Let's be honest. Getting older changes our eyes. Suddenly reading glasses are everywhere. By the nightstand, in the car, in the kitchen drawer. Maybe you've even caught yourself squinting at a restaurant menu, pretending the lighting is just too dim. It's frustrating, and it can even feel embarrassing. But here's the truth. Your eyes don't simply go bad because of age. That's what we've been told, but it's not the full story. The real culprit lies deep inside your eyes, in tiny powerhouses called mitochondria. These little energy factories keep your vision sharp, and when they slow down, so does your eyesight. And the exciting news is this. Research now shows that you can actually recharge them, which means you might be able to bring back the clear, sharp vision you once had. But before I reveal exactly how, let's go through the stages of what actually happens as we age. Because once you understand this, the solutions will make perfect sense. Stage 1. You struggle with contrast at night. Roads and shadows blend together, making night driving stressful. Stage 2. You need brighter and brighter light to read. What used to be easy with a lamp now requires the brightest bulb in the house. Stage 3. Glare and halos become distracting. Suddenly, headlights from cars feel like blinding stars in your eyes. Stage 4. Fine detail fades. Faces blur. You can't read small print without glasses, and even then, it feels like a constant struggle. If any of these sound familiar, don't worry, because what I'm about to share can not only slow these stages down, it can reverse them. Let's start with something incredibly simple: light therapy. Did you know that the very first light you see each morning can actually recharge your eyes? I'm not talking about staring into the sun, that would be dangerous, but studies show that just 3 minutes of gentle morning sunlight, eyes closed, letting the light filter through your eyelids, can energize the mitochondria in your retina. Think of it like plugging your eyes into a charger. But light is only half the story. Your eyes are hungry. And like the rest of your body, they need the right fuel to stay sharp. 3 nutrients matter more than almost anything else. One of them acts like sunglasses inside your eyes. Another literally builds the structure of your retina. And the last one keeps you from going blind at night. Nutrient 1 is vitamin A. Without it, your eyes can't function in the dark. That's why one of the first symptoms of vitamin A deficiency is night blindness. You'll find vitamin A in egg yolks, liver, and cod liver oil. Nutrient 2 is lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful plant pigments act like internal sunglasses. They filter harmful blue light, protect your eyes from UV damage, and sharpen fine detail. You'll find them in kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and pistachios. Nutrient 3 is omega-3 DHA. Your retina is literally built out of this fat. The best sources are fatty fish, like salmon and sardines, or algae supplements if you don't eat fish. When older adults restore these 3 nutrients, their vision doesn't just stabilize, it often improves. Whether it's your phone, your TV, or your computer, chances are you're staring at something up close right now. When you do this for hours, your eye muscles lock into position. That's why everything goes blurry when you finally look away. Here's the fix. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It sounds simple, but this resets your eyes. It relaxes the tiny muscles that get locked up. It restores natural moisture, and it prevents long-term strain. It's called the 20-20-20 reset, and it works wonders. A lot of people think glasses fix eyesight, but glasses don't heal your eyes. They simply compensate for the problem. It's like putting a patch on a leaky pipe instead of fixing the pipe itself. That's why every year, your prescription gets stronger and stronger. But when you address the root causes, light, nutrients, muscle balance, and blood sugar, You give your eyes the chance to actually repair themselves. And yes, even if you've been told that aging eyes are permanent. I want to share something very few people know about. Most people think cataracts can only be treated with surgery, but a special compound called N-acetylcarnosine, used as eye drops, has been shown in studies to break down the cloudy proteins that cause cataracts. It doesn't work for everyone, and it depends on how advanced the cataracts are. But for many older adults, it has brought back clarity without ever going under the knife. Imagine seeing clearly again without the risks of surgery. So let's pause for a moment. Imagine this: reading your favorite book without squinting, driving at night without fear or stress, recognizing your grandchild's smile from across the room without fumbling for glasses. Your eyes are not broken, they're simply tired. And with the right habits, the right fuel, and a little sunlight, you can wake them up again. Before I give you the final tip that can transform your eyes almost instantly, here are a few more simple habits that make a huge difference. Practice distance focusing. Go outside and look at something far away. A tree branch, a bird, a mountain. Hold your focus there for a few seconds. This undoes the constant close-up lock that screens create. You can also increase your vitamin D and magnesium intake. These two nutrients together act as powerful anti-inflammatories for the eyes. Higher vitamin D levels have even been linked to lower risk of glaucoma. And don't forget saffron. This common spice has been shown in studies to improve vision in people with age-related macular degeneration. A pinch in your tea can work wonders. Each of these is powerful, but combined, they create a recipe for truly rejuvenating your eyes. Now here it is, the tip I promised you at the beginning, the one that can make your eyes feel younger almost overnight. Ready? Get a high-quality reading light. It might sound too simple, but here's why it works. When you're over 50, your eyes need 3 times more light to see clearly than they did at 20. So stop fighting your biology. Use a warm LED light between 3000 and 4000 Kelvin, positioned directly over your book or screen. It instantly reduces strain, sharpens letters, and makes reading comfortable again. And here's the kicker. When your eyes strain less, they stay healthier longer. Sometimes the simplest tools make the biggest difference. Now, we've covered a lot today. Light therapy, essential nutrients, the 20-20-20 reset, natural remedies for cataracts, and even the power of something as simple as a reading lamp. The truth is, your eyes don't have to fade with age. They can be supported, nourished, and yes, recharged. So here's my challenge to you. Pick just one of these habits today. Whether it's watching the sunrise, eating a few more egg yolks, trying saffron tea, or simply looking out the window every 20 minutes. And then, notice how your eyes feel in just a week. Because the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to reverse the damage. But start today, and you might just give your eyes the gift of a second youth. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share it with a friend who still believes blurry vision is just part of aging. Because together, we can keep our vision strong, sharp, and vibrant at any age.